boy, H2 here. Today we're gonna make crazy pudding, and by steps with a little pea mixer. Now you see it, now you know. First add the whole tire of Elmer's glue inside the bowl. And once you're done, I'm just gonna do this one. So I did a mistake. I'm supposed to put the whole thing, so let's just do the ew. Ew! Ew! Is it done? Maybe. It looks like milk to me. I was drinking milk. This is not going. I think that's enough. And then you add the baking soda, and then you mix it. It's a little peace time. Do this. Hey, I feel pudding already. Oh, slimy. I'm just gonna mix it even faster. I think that's enough. Or is it? I'm just gonna mix it a little more. That should be done. Then you add 2 food colorings. You're supposed to open it. I'm using yellow food coloring and red food coloring to make orange, but there's a big hole, so you might want to be careful. And you're supposed to do a little drum to it. I don't think this is gonna work. That red coloring is already out. And I want to do a red dot. I'm just gonna put 2 red dots. Oops. Alright, I'm just gonna put that, and hopefully no one cares. It's not that bad. How do you even open this? Right, there we go. Hopefully that yellow food coloring won't get on my hands. That makes there. Wait a second. It's uncooked. Whatever. Wait, is it yellow? This was a feel off. Okay. I'm just gonna mix. Hey, I see orange. I see orange. My head's not right now. I'm just gonna mix it the whole entire slime and make it. This is not really slime. It's food coloring. Now I got my food coloring on this Y. We made orange, and now time to add clear. Contact solution with 1 tablespoon, only this one, and then we're gonna pour it in. And fully on the top of the edges, post the edge. You don't want to overspill it, or else it'll go on the floor. But you don't want that. So, I'd rather just squirt it. This is gonna take a while. Actually, you know what? This is actually more faster than I always do. Just do not. I think that's enough. Then we pour it in, and then we mix it with a bunch of water to fine. Mix it, mix it, mix it. Just mix it that up. Hey, I see pudding. I see pudding. My shirt can handle this. Whoa, this is way too sticky. My arms. Get off of it. Get off. This is way too sticky. I think I'm gonna have a, whoa, that's way. I don't think my hands can resist this. Alright, now we're gonna add these two because it's way too sticky than I expected. Okay. Alright. Hey, it's not sticking anymore. No, wait, it's way too sticky. I've got to mix. Ah! Hey, I think this is actually taking off my stuff out. Keep on doing it. Alright kids, you should probably have a responsible now with this. And while we're doing this, no, not yet. And while we're doing this, don't forget to go to the comments and tell me next what to do. Comment what could I do next for my next video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the bell as well, and also thumbs up if you like this crazy pudding. Goodbye. Watch more A2 videos if you like this video for the next talk. Bye.